Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and a good internet friend of mine that is real knowledgeable in Corel asked me a question on my join curves video, and I made the lines extra thick so you could see them in the video. What he does is go right here and go to either closed curve or extended close to curve to close and join it, and that does work. The only difference is it leaves this node. And if you try to delete that node, you can delete that node. But it just, and so it works, and that's probably more handy. You can't, I don't think you can chamfer it and do the other things I was talking about the other day, where in my video, if I just hit apply, it's gonna have no nodes. It is actually join the two curves together without that extra node. That's the only difference I can see. He's right, so we'll go there, but see, it leaves that node, and you could cause a problem. I think the only probably different I can see, if you had and I'm gonna make maybe a second video on that, if you had another situation, and because you can delete that node. But I hope that answered his question. So you're right, your way is just as good. I just got a custom and open that Docker. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.